What's up, you guys? My name is Clay, and this is the Rev Media channel. I bet most of you guys never thought about getting yourself a stainless steel Apple Watch. Well, I'm very happy to be able to tell you guys you don't have to pay full price for one of those suckers if you don't want to. I get it, they're expensive. They start at like $700, $750. And not everybody's looking to bust that when you can get an aluminum case model for hundreds of dollars less. But guys, you can get stainless steel model watches for half the price or even less. I know because I've done it. That's how I got mine, the watch I'm wearing that you see right now. I got mine for a grand total of $291 after tax, as you can see right here. How did I know to look? I didn't. I just stumbled across it because I had a 40 mil before and I wanted a 44 mil. But as I was looking, I realized how cheap the stainless steel models are. So again, why pay full price at Apple like this when you can literally pay half the price for one that's the same size but one generation older and slightly used, backed by the Amazon guarantee, of course. Now here's another couple options with stainless steel watch bodies. Kind of speaks for itself, right? And links are down in the description as always. So now that you guys know that these stainless steel watch bodies are out there and available at way more decent of a price, well then you ask yourself, do I want a stainless steel Apple Watch? Okay, so let's break it down. How do you know whether or not you want a stainless steel Apple Watch compared to the regular aluminum? Well, it only boils down to a couple things. The stainless steel bodies are a tiny bit heavier because of the more premium build. However, that increased build quality really does make it stand out as a fashion or jewelry piece. So if that's more important to you and you plan on keeping it and holding on to it and using it for a long time and just enjoying and appreciating the build quality of the stainless steel, well then that could be the move. I'm really neither here or there. I always appreciate functionality, and I also love excellent craftsmanship as well as good build quality. So as far as using the stainless steel Apple Watch on a day-to-day basis, it's pretty much exactly the same other than being a tiny bit heavier than the aluminum cases. However, again, you get that stainless steel build quality. By the way, guys, I bet you didn't even notice that there's a screen protector on there, huh? I bought this case of screen protectors just so I could have something to go over the face of the watch, but these screen protectors actually completely blew me away. They're literally only 10 bucks and they included 6, so I really wasn't expecting them to be good. I just kind of thought, okay, well there's 6, so I'll go through them, but they're actually really good. And when you scratch it, it actually heals itself. I saw that before I bought them and I was like, oh yeah, right. But whenever I was at work and I scratched it and I didn't have time to change it out and I had to work the next day, well, I would get up the next morning and it was already gone. I know, it sounds crazy. Anyway, my experience using the screen protectors has been really good, so I'm totally comfortable recommending them if you guys get a watch and need a good recommendation. And again, the brand of those are LK. They're linked down in the description. And okay, the only other difference as far as what you get besides the build difference between aluminum and stainless steel body is it's actually the charger that you get with it. So you get a little stainless steel cased charger puck that goes along with the stainless steel watch. Kind of a little cool thing. I know it's not really a big deal, but it's just there. So anyway, okay guys, so if you ask yourself the question, do I or do I not want a stainless steel Apple Watch? I hope that I was able to provide some insight from me using mine in the last 6 months and was able to help you come to your own conclusion. If you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, feel free to ask me down in the comments section. I certainly don't mind helping you guys out however I can. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to join the community, you know what to do. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.